You want to make a few $100 a month? Go clone your voice on 11 Labs.
What did he just say? 11 Labs? Few $100 a month? So let's say $500 a month? What is 11 Labs? Let's add a text here. I just watched a video that said if you want to make a few $100 a month, just go and clone your voice on 11 Labs. I want to know more about it. Because if I can make a few $100, I will simply go and hire more people and pay them half of it as monthly fixed salary, and they will make money for me. But first I need to know. So we got a text here. I'm going to go and choose right here the voice. Under this voice thing, the drop down, and I will select this little voiceover and just go and generate speech. I just watched a video that said if you want to make a few $100s a month, just go and clone your voice on 11 Labs. I want to know more about it because if I can make a few $100, I will simply go and hire more people and pay them half of it as monthly fixed salary, and they will make money for me. But first, I need to know how. Was that me? That was my voice. Yes, that was my cloned voice. And I'm going to go a little deeper with a little bit of technicalities. At any point of this video, if you feel it's going too technical and you don't have time for this, you just want to go and make money yesterday, and you want to make money while you are at sleep, but we do 99% of the work for you, then scan this QR code and watch the free training video. You can also check the link in the description and watch the free training video. The free training video has two parts. The first part is real training and the second part is a sales speech. Full transparency because I make money selling stuff. My softwares, programs, and this is a 99% done for you program where busy folks like these people make $500 passive affiliate commissions. All these people are real, 100% verifiable. They are the members of our 99% done for you program. And yeah, you can start just like them simply by scanning this QR code or by clicking the link in the description and watching the free training right here. At the end of watching the full training, if you still have questions, you can click here, submit your name and email, and speak to the AI chat agent to ask any question and get your answers. But if you are not happy and you want to speak to me one-on-one, click any of these links and DM me on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Now you know that you have a 99% done for you program. Let's learn.
Did you know that people are making money with 11 Labs pretty passively?
This is actually new to me because you can use 11 Labs and clone your voice, but how passive is it?
Zero doubt. Tell me about it. I have videos right now that are indistinguishable from human. You might as well monetize it.
Facebook is probably paying them 6 figures.
Wow.
Giant turtle. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. This is a baby floating in the water in a flood, and a German Shepherd is in a car pulling the baby up out of the water. Okay, so here's how this works. I make you free videos. I actually know what I'm talking about. I have no greasy sales pitch at the end. And if you implement what I talk about, you'll make a lot more money.
That's why we are watching your video, my friend.
So this is Ethan, our head of sales.
Okay.
At Service Scalers, but I'm going to show you this one.
Unlimited content, writes and publishes daily SEO blog posts for your business. 100% done for you and optimized to rank. For only $399 a month, we'll handle everything from keywords to publishing so you can grow traffic, get more leads, and build authority without lifting a finger.
I don't know if I'm being too critical. It feels like it went from not opening your mouth enough to opening the mouth too much.
For sure.
Bro, I did not look at anything. I looked at the problem. This girl is asking to schedule a call. And if I have that problem, I will just go ahead and schedule a call.
That one though, I've sent to people and they were like, wait, is this real? This one, and this is like, we're getting there. This is the Ethan one.
Are you tired of sitting by the phone, waiting for leads that never come? You work hard, you deliver a great service, but if no one's calling, your business can't grow. And referrals alone don't cut it anymore.
That is pretty real, yes.
That's where we come in.
And this is of a real person. Like, that's of Ethan. This is a fake human that just ChatGPT came up with.
I feel like Ethan's better. Is it because it's a real person, or is it just a...
I don't know.
Yours get consistent.
Well, I have something else to share with you guys. Google. I just asked ChatGPT, Google's AI video creator, and I got complete details of the new video creator, and here is how it looks like.
Do you think I am real?
We absolutely think you are real. There is no reason we think you are not.
I'm Isaac Newton. I'm here to say gravity's the force that makes things sway.
We agree with you and we know you. You are real. The only question is, did they have this quality camera back then?
So I went to the zoo the other day and all they had was one dog. It was a Shih Tzu.
Haha.
I can't believe this VO3 thing can do dialogue now.
Ah! A talking muffin!
I don't know if you can see this.
That's pretty crazy. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days, and we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. So you go to Google Gemini, you must have access to the paid or premium version. Click video here and say what you want to say. Say use the microphone, I'm gonna do that. Make a video of a person who is sitting on the desk creating reaction videos. He's pretty excited with the AI application he is using and he's saying something exciting like screaming, shouting, happy, jumping, and doing something crazy. That's all I came up with. And let's go. Now AI is creating the video and it might take 1 to 2 minutes. We'll be back when it's done. And the video is ready, guys. The video looks amazing, but there is no sound. I'm going to copy this, paste it here and say, make the character in the video say the above. Let's see what happens. I'm just trying it out. The video is ready, but again, there is no sound. But did I download it? Let's go. But yet again, no sound whatsoever. Okay, how about generate speech from this? It's generated and I'm downloading the MP3 done. Now I'm going to go to my handy dandy CapCut, create a new project, upload both the files, add the video, then add this sound. There is some issues. Let me check.
I just watched a video that said, if you want to make a few $100s a month, just go and clone your voice on 11 Labs. I want to know.
Nah, didn't match. I don't know. Okay, long story short, you know what's coming. Today it's just a video. Tomorrow you will be able to add your voiceover. Day after tomorrow, they will allow you to clone your voice. All from Google. Maybe, maybe not. But there is an improvement every single day in the AI world. The question is, are you improving? The second question is, are you making money from these AIs? That was the question we were looking answer.
Piece right here where it says high quality.
Yeah.
Is like yours, get consistent, high quality leads.
It's
every
really,
single
opens
week.
really wide.
Really wide.
Cool stuff. Long story short, AI is taking over. You need to learn to use it for your advantage because he's saying
just generating leads without my face or without a real human needing to shoot content.
And
that answer is yes.
Wow. So these videos are generating leads for him. That means very soon, I'm not going to be making my videos and I'm going to teach my students exactly what I am doing. Question is, where are you? I'm talking about a program that is 99% done for you. And you can learn about the program. Basically, you can learn about our business from a free video. What is stopping you from watching the video?
That 11 Labs users choose from, they pay out like a proportional rev share.
That's awesome.
Of that.
Actually,
isn't that cool?
Yeah, so I actually noticed when I was picking voices yesterday. I was like, these feel user generated. Like
Wow.
Like, they didn't all follow like the 11 Labs default voice vibe. It was like, it felt like actual everyday people that were.
I can show you one of them. And I actually like this one more than I like my own. Listen to this.
I just watched a video that said if you want to make a few $100s a month, just go and clone your voice on 11 Labs. I want to know more about it because if I can make a few $100, I'll simply go and hire more people.
Did you hear that? Can you imagine how natural it is?
Pay them half of it as monthly fixed salary and they will make money for me. But first I need to know how.
From high to low. It's like a real human. And they have like so many characters.
Honestly, like, and you don't have to have a killer voice to do that. I spend so much time on 11 Labs trying to find non-professional sounding voices. Because like I don't always want studio quality, like deep I don't want Morgan Freeman reading my ads. Like I want Sally from North Carolina.
That's right. That creates authenticity. Like let's say my videos is very authentic, right? Because I'm shooting from my studio. It's real, it's natural. It's the end of the day, it's your goal that you want to achieve. In my case, I want to build authority, the most importantly, trust. And I can't achieve that with perfect AI voice or even perfect studio voice. That makes your life easier. You don't need a perfect voice and you don't need a perfect AI voice.
One of the commenters was saying like, I have a really stupid voice or I have a thick accent. Like I'm an Indian American with a thick accent, it wouldn't work for me. And the original poster was like, this is the best for you. Like you have like an outlier voice.
Yeah, a unique voice. Like that's people want it. It's a no-brainer.
So for those listening, you want to make a few $100 a month, I'll clone your voice on 11 Labs.
I might do that. Like get this voice all over the internet.
I want to do it, but I'm kind of scared. Like, are people going to copy my content even more perfectly?
True.
They have my voice?
True. I would. I'd be.
I would. Okay, in the whole video or the conversation, did you actually learn how to make money? No, you didn't? Okay. If you have been watching this video, then I got your attention by making a video. And that's what we achieve. That's what our 99% done for you program members want to achieve. Attention by staying real and making simple content. And here is our process. We use AI to learn new skills fast. Fast is the key word here. Then we record our process of using AI and the new skill that we learned. And we make short form videos around them. Short form videos like 1 minute long, 2 minutes long, that's it. Then we upload the same video on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These guys send us free viewers. These viewers fall in love with our content. They follow the instruction to check our AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel's job is to make sales on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. That's exactly how our students make money. We make money. And you can do it too, but you have to start from watching the free training. It's right here. Scan this code or go to the link in the description. We'll see you there. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.